what's broken. Drag the scanner to check it out. Super! Now let's disassemble the crane. Keep going. Perfect. Well, it all needs to be fixed. There's something not spinning here. Uh-oh, trash! Pick up all the items with the pliers. You're so smart. Awesome! Install the parts in the matching silhouette. Something is dripping here. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. You're so smart. Wonderful. Put a patch on it. Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Excellent. That's it. Now let's paint. Super. You fixed it. We have to look in the engine. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Awesome! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. Excellent. That's great! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Excellent. That's great! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. You solved the problem! All done! Now help to assemble! Crane! I appreciate your help! Now we can upgrade the parts! To the construction site. Keep going.